Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this LastPass review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using the product. Join me as we delve into the world of password management with this LastPass review. LastPass is a comprehensive password management tool designed to enhance both the security and simplicity of your digital life. From storing an unlimited number of passwords to generating strong, unique ones accessible across all your devices, desktops, smartphones, and tablets, LastPass has you covered. It caters to individuals and businesses alike, appealing to anyone who prioritizes convenience, robust security, and effortless access. One of LastPass's most notable features is its autofill functionality. This seamlessly populates your login information for websites and apps, saving you valuable time and eliminating the hassle of manually entering complex passwords. Beyond passwords, LastPass also offers secure notes, a perfect place to store sensitive data such as Wi-Fi passwords, credit card details, and even important documents. At the core of LastPass's security is its zero-knowledge encryption. This means that your data remains exclusively accessible to you. Even LastPass themselves cannot view your passwords. Another valuable security feature is emergency access, allowing you to designate trusted contacts who can access your account in unforeseen circumstances. For more advanced users and businesses, LastPass provides shared password folders, multi-factor authentication, and comprehensive administrative controls. The premium and family plans offer additional benefits, including dark web monitoring, extra storage for encrypted files, and priority technical support. LastPass integrates smoothly into your digital life thanks to its user-friendly browser extensions and mobile apps. Setup is quick and importing your existing passwords is straightforward. Whether you're a tech expert or just starting your journey towards better password security, LastPass adapts to your needs with minimal effort. In conclusion, LastPass effectively balances user-friendliness with powerful security features. If you seek a reliable solution to safeguard your online presence without sacrificing convenience, LastPass is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description to explore LastPass further. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts and experiences with LastPass in the comments below.